I have romaine lettuce, I have iceberg lettuce. I am going to make a salad dressing that is actually one of my favorites. It's called Sensation Salad. I can't wait to see what people comment me for this one. So I do not have like fabulous vegetable oil. I do not have super expensive olive oil. I can't wait to hear all that. I am not cutting, chopping, pressing my own garlic. I am using garlic. But it comes together with the oils, the vinegar, the garlic, parsley. I'm not using fresh parsley. I am quite aware and well aware that if I used all fresh ingredients, it would probably be that much better. And I have done that before, but I don't have that on hand. So I'm going to use what I have and I'm going to put it together. And I'm going to use this leftover lettuce that we have. Now, the only thing that I did end up needing to get was, I did get fresh lemons. The main star, I feel like, of this salad also is the Romano cheese. So I'm going to take you through this recipe that started around the 1950s, 60s in Baton Rouge, Louisiana at Jake and Bob's off of Government Street. I can't wait to hear what I get from saying that. Somebody's going to probably be like, no, Kelly, you are so not right. That started from Louis the 14th in 1695. His mistress was his chef and he wanted a tangy, crisp, lemon, garlicky salad, and that's where the actual history came from. Cool. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm okay with it. Trust me. I will go ahead and say this again for the people in the back who maybe haven't heard me. I am not a chef. I am not a chef. I am just showing you a recipe using things that I have, lettuce that I have chopped, all that kind of stuff. And you know what? I am going to throw some shrimp in there with it too. It's cool. Follow along if you want to.
All right, so Sensation salad dressing consists of half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then you salt and pepper to taste, and then you add granulated garlic to taste. Now, once you get all this going, you'll see me shred up. It's a cup of Romano cheese, and then there is iceberg lettuce or romaine, whatever, you do you. And then you toss the romaine or the iceberg lettuce with the parsley, 2 tablespoons of parsley. You add on that awesome dressing, and then you add the Romano cheese at the end. Now, I do have shrimp to go with this, but I wanted to taste test it. But I added in Olive Garden garlic and Romano croutons, and it added just an extra touch of a little bit of salt, not too much. But it's super great. It's wonderful. Happy dance.